everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's session, I'm going to discuss about practical oriented questions related to second PUC business studies. Usually, these practical oriented questions are asked in section E in the final examination of business studies. So now, let's go through chapter wise practical oriented questions. In chapter number 1, that is Nature and Significance of Management, the practical oriented question is: assuming that you are the manager of an organization, draw the neat diagram of different levels of management to specify that authority responsibility relationship create different levels of management. So in this practical oriented question, you have to draw a diagram showing various levels of management. So levels of management is divided into three categories, that is top level management, middle level management and lower level management. So these are the three levels of management. So you have to write who are the persons come under different levels of management. So in top level management, you can see Chief Executive Officer, Chief Marketing Officer, Chief Sales Officer, Chief Technology Officer, President and Managing Director. Usually these top level management is going to formulate policies and objectives of business organization. Middle level management involves marketing manager, purchase head, sales manager, operations manager, branch manager and finance manager. So this middle level management is going to implement policies and programs framed by top level management. Again, lower level management involves supervisor, foreman, clerk, junior managers and inspectors. So this lower level management is going to assign work to general workers. So this is the diagram showing different levels of management. So this question is asked from first chapter for 5 marks. Next practical oriented question is from chapter 2, that is Principles of Management. So now let's go to this. As a general manager, list out any 10 FIOL's principles of management which you would like to adopt in your business organization. So FIOL's 14 principles of management are division of work, authority, discipline, unity of command, unity of direction, subordination of individual interest to the general interest, remuneration, centralization, scalar chain, order, equity, stability of tenure of personnel, initiative, e-spirit, the crops. So in this question, you have to list out any 10 Henry Fayol principles out of 14 principles. No need to write any explanation. So this question is asked from second chapter. Let's see the practical oriented question asked from chapter 3, that is business environment. So in this chapter they ask you, show the different elements of business environment that influences the success of business enterprises with a neat diagram. So from this chapter you have to draw a diagram showing different dimensions of business environment. Generally, business environment is surrounded by social environment, economic environment, legal environment, political environment and technological environment. So this is the question asked from third chapter. Next practical oriented question is from fourth chapter, that is planning. So now let's go through the question. As a manager, what logical steps you follow in planning process before executing a project? So as you already know, there are totally 7 steps involved in planning process. So you have to write all the 7 steps involved in planning process. Along with that, here you also don't need to write any explanation to these points. So now let's go through the planning process steps. First one, setting objectives. Second one, developing premises. Third one, identifying alternative courses of action. Fourth one, evaluating alternative courses of action. Fifth one, selecting an alternative. Sixth one, implementing the plan. And finally, follow-up action. So see here, while following planning process, you are going to set one business objectives. On the basis of business objectives, you are going to develop the premises. Premises is nothing but assumption about your future conditions. After developing the premises, you are going to identifying alternative courses of action which is suitable to your business organization. After identifying the alternative courses of action, you are going to evaluate those alternative courses of action. After evaluating the alternative courses of action, you are going to select one alternative. On the basis of alternative, you are going to implement the plan, and finally you are going to follow that plan. So these are the 7 steps involved in planning process. So this is the question asked from 4th chapter. From chapter number 5, that is organizing, you can expect draw the organization chart showing divisional and functional structure. So here you need to draw a diagram showing divisional and functional structure. So let's see the diagram. So here the company is going to divide one department into several divisions, that is human resource, marketing, research and development, and purchasing. And the products like cosmetics, garments, footwear and skincare products have to gone through with these divisions in order to achieve profit. So this is the question asked from 5th chapter. Let's see practical oriented question from chapter number 6, that is staffing. Assuming that you are the HR manager of an organization, state any 10 sources you would look into while recruiting employees. So sources of recruitment is mainly classified into 2, that is internal sources of recruitment and external sources of recruitment. These includes promotion and transfers, direct interview, casual callers, advertisement, employment exchanges, placement agencies, campus recruitment, labor contractors, telecasting, web publishing. So while recruiting the employees, you go through with these recruitment sources. So this is the question asked from 6th chapter. Let us see chapter number 7, that is directing. Draw the neat diagram of Maslow's need hierarchy. So here you need to draw a triangle diagram which shows Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Maslow's hierarchy of needs related to physiological needs, safety needs, belongingness and love needs, esteem needs, finally self-actualization needs. Physiological needs is nothing but basic needs. It includes food, water and shelter. Safety needs includes security and stability of income. Belongingness and love needs includes love, relationship and friendship. Esteem needs include prestige and feeling of accomplishment. Self-actualization needs is nothing but self-fulfillment needs. So this is the question asked from chapter number 7 for 5 marks. Next practical oriented question is from chapter number 8, that is controlling. As a manager of an organization, what are the modern techniques of controlling you would like to adopt? So the modern techniques of controlling are return on investment, ratio analysis, responsibility accounting, management audit, PERT and CPM. PERT is nothing but program evaluation review technique. CPM is critical path method, and the last one is management information system. So there are totally 6 techniques are there. So in that 6 techniques you should write any 5 techniques of controlling. So this is the question from chapter number 8. Next practical oriented question is from chapter number 9, that is financial management. As a financial consultant, give the list of any 10 factors which affect the choice of capital structure. Factor affect the choice of capital structure are: first one, cash flow position; second one, interest coverage ratio; third one, debt service coverage ratio; fourth one, return on investment; fifth one, cost of debt; sixth one, cost of equity; seventh one, flotation cost; eighth one, risk consideration; ninth one, flexibility; 10th one, control; 11th one, regulatory framework; 12th one, stock market condition. Out of 14 points, you can write any 10 points. So this is the question asked from chapter number 9. These are the practical oriented questions from business studies. If you like my video, means comment, like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you once again.